What's up, YouTube? Back with another video for for Lion Diamond Detail Car Wash. So this video. I know I've been gone for a good minute, and I want to post this videos for y'all. And I'll be taking more pictures and doing more short films for y'all. And I'm gonna be doing the more fun parts for y'all. It's more like let me do a decorating the two tables that I have in the garage. Probably be doing more on what's going on underneath the car, and it can be more having more fun, you know. So for this video, I'm gonna post some more of my car wash. For if y'all like that video that video that I made has a lot of viewers. I'm happy for that. I'm very happy for that. But I'm gonna keep posting more of that more often. I want y'all to go to my Twitch page. I'm gonna be doing a lot of streaming on that side. I think that'll be all. I think that'll be all it for y'all. So I'm gonna keep posting more videos like this. Like, subscribe, smash that notification, leave a comment below, and I hope y'all like this video.